Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring power and legal settings are correct. First, charge or swap to a full battery so the radio can output maximum power. Weak cells reduce range. Once done, set the radio to the highest legal transmit power and confirm the channel is allowed where you are. Next, mount the antenna straight up and use the factory or a compatible high-gain antenna. That orientation maximizes radiation. These immediate steps get you measurable improvement fast. Now focus on placement and the antenna system to convert power into usable range. Elevate the radio. Higher is almost always better because walkie-talkies rely on line of sight, so put the unit on a roof, pole, or high shelf. Once elevated, swap to a longer or higher gain antenna. A better antenna concentrates energy and improves reception. Make sure both stations' antennas are similarly oriented and keep metal objects and dense obstructions away. These steps refine the signal path and greatly reduce dead zones. Finish with final tuning and one-key troubleshooting approach. Lower squelch just enough to hear weak signals and set comfortable volume. If range is still short, employ a repeater or an external microphone/speaker to improve clarity. Test by walking to a distant location and swapping channels to find lower interference. If problems persist, systematically troubleshoot. Swap batteries and antennas, reset radio to defaults, and scan for local interference like routers or power lines. If nothing helps, replace the radio or consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.